Hi guys, welcome back. Quick video. When you've got a message on the dials showing oil maintenance due, so it gives you a few thousand miles, the car's been serviced, the oil's changed, and because the message wasn't showing at the time, it hasn't been cancelled. So what you have to do, starting the ignition to the point when you've got all the dials on, it's the start and stop switch ignition. So you can see the oil maintenance required message coming up, and this is only because there was before a message telling us oil maintenance due. So let's just try to press that button to odometer main one, which is just as you can see. Oh, wrong hand, sorry. There you go. No on A, no on a B, on the main one. And then the next step is switch everything off. We need to press and hold that button, the ODO trip. Press and hold it, and whilst we pressing and holding that, we need to press the ignition, start stop engine button to the point where you've got all the accessories switched on, and then we should be encountering the message on the middle screen, getting rid of that reminder for oil or service. Right, so let's give it a go. Right, press and hold trip computer button, press start button again, but do not start the engine. There we are, perfect. So now you've seen it. Right, I just release that button now. There we go. Right, move the camera away from there so you can see everything. So now everything, it's gone to reset. A reminder, it's gone away. Let's have a quick look if I'm gonna just switch the ignition off with just a click in the button. There you go, all's gone off. And I will now start the engine, pressing and holding that button. Oh yeah, it just tells me I need to press the brake pedal. Of course I will do. Let's do it now. Let's have a look. If the reminder gonna come up. No, it didn't. Brilliant. So as you can see, now I've got rid of that reminder, and hopefully you can follow my steps and that will be able to resolve that issue. Like I said, the first one you will have is, let's just switch the engine off, 1 second. There we are. The first one you will encounter is the oil service due, and after a few thousand miles, I'm not so sure, 2,000 or 3,000 miles, that will be deleted, and that would come to the point if that hasn't been, the message hasn't been deleted, it will be saying oil maintenance required. So in that instance, like I said, service was done and its oil been replaced, so hopefully that helps. You take care guys, bye for now.